Hello, my name is Avon, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background in your Zoho Campaigns email. Commonly, they come out as gray, so we're going to change that from gray to whatever color you want, or white to match the email background as well. Okay, so watch now. Let's jump into the platform. We're just going to go into a campaign. And I'm just going to create a theme for the first time. Now, you may have some pre-designed themes. You may have done some custom coloring or whatever, but I'm just going to grab one of my old templates. And you can tell already that in the background, there is a slightly gray or a different color to the email. There's a very slight gradation. So I'm going to click on design up here. Now, just to show you where that gray line sits, if you can't really see it properly, if I click on this outer theme, you can see that I can change the theme to something that gives you the obvious section where it is very, very different. That's the background that we're talking about. So to make it clearer for what we're talking about now, let's just go to a nice dark color. Now you can expand the size of the email. It's either between 6 or 800 pixels. So let's go to the max, and we've made it wider already. The other thing we're going to do is with the theme, in this case, we're going to go back to a no theme, but in this color section, you can choose whether you want the color that you want. So if we're going to make it red, if we're going to make it grayish, if you want pure white, you just go to the hex code, or if you drag it all the way in the top left, the hex code for white is just FFFFFF, just all Fs. And that way you're going to make sure that you get pure white and it's going to match the same as the email background. So that is how to change the color on the background of your email in Zoho Campaigns. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you very much. Take care.